Guys, we don't have no fishing poles, so we're just out here at the local bait shop store trying to get something for now. What, Dad? Then we'll grab that one that we had.
Which one?
The one that we grabbed earlier.
Oh, earlier?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the one, the heavy one?
Yeah, the heavy one. You okay with that one?
Yeah. I'm okay with this one.
Sure.
Oh, where is it? The big one.
Guys, so we just got this one.
What?
We got some frozen anchovies we're gonna fish with. Junior got the Spider-Man fishing pole. We're gonna catch a fish, right, Dad?
Yeah, big fish for me and you.
You heard him. Big fish.
Me and my dad.
Guys. Go ahead, Junior.
Alright. Me and my dad are here to catch a fish and a huge fish. And we're gonna cook one after this. Tomorrow we're gonna keep the other fish tomorrow and we're gonna cook the other one, okay?
That's right, guys. We're gonna catch big fish. And we're gonna cook one.
Big motherfucker. Dad?
Yeah?
Your body is so
Yeah. Walk slowly so you don't fall.
But I guess what?
What?
Probably a snake will be still around here
Snake?
tomorrow.
There's no snakes here, Dad.
Yeah. In the water. Probably.
Snakes in the water?
Yeah, snakes.
Okay, then fish it. We'll catch it with the hook.
Yeah, catch it with the motherfucking hook. Asshole.
All right, there's no playing around, okay? Gotta be careful because we could get hurt if we fall or something.
Yeah, 4-7 down here. And guess what?
All right, let's get ready.
And guess dude.
All right, guys, so Junior's ready to go.
I'm gonna go.
This is what he's gonna fish with.
What?
This is what he wants to fish with.
Give me a
Okay, reel it in.
watch out. And don't poke yourself in.
Okay, you gotta come down here. Come closer down here. Give me your hand. Okay, you're gonna come over here on this side.
Yeah, on this side. Yeah, I want to go all the way on the other side.
Okay, walk down there. I'll hold your hand. Keep going. Right there. You still know how to throw it? Push the button. When you're ready to throw it, let go of the button. Okay, reel it in. Remember, you gotta keep the button. Gotta press and hold the button. Don't let it go until you're ready. There you go. Good job. My turn to set up my fishing pole, okay? Alright guys, my fishing pole don't have line, so I gotta, and it's in the wrong side. I'm left-handed, right-handed. So, yeah. Alright guys, so I'm putting in my line. And I'm using this, what is it, let me see.
For that big one, but
It's a 50-pound test line.
I need more.
So this is what I'll be using. Junior just threw his, he cast his lure in the water and the line snapped. It was the line that comes with the box. So I'm gonna change his, put a little bit of thicker line so it doesn't snap again.
Mine was not my fault, but it was my fault. So it broke.
It wasn't your fault, Dad. Just the line was too thin, that's why. I should have changed it from the beginning, but it's alright. We'll fix it right now. Alright guys, I'm finally set up. This will be my first cast, frozen anchovy. 2-pound weight, 100-pound test line. Throw this in there, see what could catch something. Nice throw. Guys, we've been out here for like 30 minutes. No bites yet. Seen a couple little bluegills around.
Up here.
We're not targeting bluegills.
Oh, there's another boat way over there. Look. Look at that right there.
Oh yeah, I see that boat. Yeah. So yeah, I think we're just gonna stay here for a little bit longer, then we're gonna head out. Want to play that? I don't have a lot of bullets, so
Oh, you were out of bullets?
I only have a little bit.
Oh. Do you need to go buy some more?
Yeah, I actually do.
How much do they cost?
I don't remember.
Oh, God. Guess what? Ooh!
Okay, come here. It's right here.
It works?
Of course it works. Oh. Press it. Gotta shoot the stick.
Oh.
Okay, that's it. Do it right now.
You think? Ready?
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, gotta go like this. Oh, loud. Woo. Wait.
That's it. Gotta go buy more BBs.